Let's see, do you think Smile will give us a smile? Hey, Smiles. Hey, Smiles. Don't put the peanut butter on her face. Here we go. Hey, Smiles. Where's your smile? Let me see Emma smile. Show me Emma's smile. Yes, there it is. Did you see your sister smile?
It's Emma.
Who is this that we're looking at?
Amy.